In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Huddle recordings in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your recordings and how to remove them cleanly without leaving clutter behind. First, open your web browser and go to app.slack.com. If you're not already signed in, log into the correct workspace so you're working in the right place. Everything we're doing here is in the Slack web app, and the steps are essentially the same in the desktop app. Next, pick the conversation where the recording lives. In the left sidebar, click the channel or direct message where the huddle originally happened. Huddle recordings are stored and shared in the same conversation they were created in, so that's the quickest way to locate them. At the top of that conversation, click the Files tab. This tab gathers every file shared in the channel or DM, making it easier to manage things without scrolling through the entire message history. You should now see a list of files associated with this conversation, including your Huddle recordings. Recordings typically appear with a media preview and a timestamp. If you have a lot of files, you can sort by most recent or use the search bar to narrow things down by name or date. Before you delete anything, make sure you've selected the correct recording. If you think you might need it later, download a copy first as a backup. When you've identified the right recording, hover over it to reveal the More Actions menu, usually shown as 3 dots. You can also click into the file to open its detailed view and access the same menu there. This menu gives you options specific to managing that file. From the More Actions menu, choose Delete File. Slack will ask you to confirm, since deleting removes the recording from the conversation for everyone. Confirm the deletion to complete the process. In most workspaces, this action is permanent, so double check you've got the right file before you proceed. If you don't see the delete option, it likely means you don't have permission to delete that particular recording. In that case, reach out to a workspace admin or the person who owns the file. That's it. You've removed the recording from the channel or DM, and it will no longer appear in Search or the Files tab for that conversation. If you have more recordings to clean up, repeat the same process. Regularly managing recordings is a good way to reduce clutter and keep storage under control while ensuring only the files your team needs remain accessible. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to keep your Slack workspace tidy.